How to add coupons on Temu app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add coupons on the Temu app. For this, open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this app installed, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and download this application. Now, make sure to sign into your account. You can do that by tapping on the U option and tap on the sign in/register option. Now, once you have been signed into your account, you simply want to explore the home screen and add all the items that you want to purchase in your cart. For that, simply tap on the add to cart option, select the specifications, and then it will be added to your cart. Now tap on this cart icon to open up all the items which are in your cart. Now if you want to check out, simply tap on the checkout option. Here you can add your address and other details if you have not done that already. If you have, you can proceed to the payment method. Here you want to select whichever payment method you want. Now scroll down and you have the option of apply coupon code. Tap on this option. Now on this box, you can go ahead and enter your coupon code. As it says here, you can only add one coupon per purchase. So tap on the apply option after you have entered the code. And if the code is valid, it will be added over here. You're also going to find the item discount as per the coupon. Now simply tap on the submit order option, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.